How to unsend messages on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to unsend messages on Instagram. So first of all, just simply open your Play Store or your App Store, and after that just simply download the Instagram application in your mobile device and simply open it. And once you're there in your Instagram account, in order to unsend messages, you first need to send the message to someone you want to send to. So for example, I have sent messages to this particular person right here. You can also send few messages. So now let's say you want to delete these messages. So in order to unsend or delete these messages, all you have to do is just simply long press on this particular message and you will be able to see a bunch of different options. Since you want to unsend the message, just simply click on unsend and you can see that your action has been undone. So it says that unsending will remove the message for everyone. People you have sent this message to may have seen or forwarded it already, but you have to be okay with it. Since you want to unsend it, just simply tap on unsend and confirm your action, and as you can see that your message has been unsent. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to unsend messages on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.